In today's world, every second and every movement counts. Introducing the TurnNBurn adapter for semi-trailers. It raises and lowers landing gear faster, safer, and more efficiently. No more cranking. It's simple. All you need is any 18-volt drill and a 9 16-inch wrench or socket. For frequent use, a quick lock adapter makes repeated attachments fast and easy. Just remove your crank handle and stow it in your trailer box or cab. Slide on the TurnNBurn adapter and you're ready to raise or lower your landing gear with ease. For maximum efficiency, avoid overextending your landing gear when coupling or uncoupling. If the legs are lowered too far, the trailer's weight will rest on them, making retrieval harder for you or the next driver. To prevent this, always leave about 3 inches of space between the landing gear feet and the ground. That space allows the trailer to drop slightly as the truck disconnects. So when you return to hook up, the trailer lifts off the ground, taking the weight off the legs. With the weight removed, raising the landing gear becomes effortless, especially with the TurnNBurn adapter. At TurnNBurn, we believe in making life easier for the people who keep America moving. From independent drivers to nationwide fleets, our mission is simple: to help you work smarter, safer, and faster with technology built for the real world, for the hardworking men and women who keep our economy rolling. One simple tool. Turn in a new way with TurnNBurn.